Hello everyone to whoever's watching. Um, how are you doing today? My name is Habib Bello. I'm a final year student of GMIT. My final year project is a robotic lawnmower. We'll be talking through my projects that I've done so far. First of all, I'm just going to talk about my project, which is a robotic lawnmower. Basically, the features are it just goes around, goes around the grass and also cuts the grass for you. And also, the feature that was included was it recharges itself when the battery is low. Also, if there's any obstacles in front of it, it also detects the obstacles and also moves away from it using the sonar sensor. Now, as you can see right here, this is my architecture diagram. My my robotic lawnmower is powered by Arduino Mega 2560, which is the brain of my robotic lawnmower. I use this because it has a lot of connectivity, so such as a lot of pins rather than the Arduino Uno, and also it's easier to program, and it was something that was very comfortable to use. Um, the motor that I use to drive my the wheels of the robotic lawnmower was a dual H2 driver, which I found online and also did a lot of reviews on it. I found that this was very useful. Also, the sensor that I used to detect the obstacles of my project was the HCSR04, which is an Arduino sensor, which is very popular for people to use. I found that very easy to use. This was it wasn't too difficult to use. The batteries that I used to power my Arduino was a 9-volt battery, which I found online, and it wasn't too hard. Now the problems that I had was also trying to get set up perimeter wires on my robotic lawnmower. I did try to run the code, but I wasn't able to successfully run the code. Now for the motors in here, which is this DC motor, which is to cut the grass, I have that successfully working, but I believe it was too dangerous to get it running during the time I tested it, but it does work. Hi, how are you doing? My name is Habib Bello. So this is my project here, robotic lawnmower. This is the radar sensor that I use to detect whenever the robot is moving. So if it detects any object, it also stops. And this is the HP driver that I use to control the wheels on my motors. As you see, there are two wheels on my motor right here, and this is the 9-volt battery that is used to run my motor. And this is the Arduino Mega, and the reason why I chose this because it has a lot of connectors on this, which allows me to add more features. If I had more time, I guess, on more equipment, I would have added more features, which is adding a self-charging features on it. But with the little I have, I could only do so much. Now this right here is my perimeter sensor, which I added but was unsuccessful. Now I did tested it, but it didn't work for some time. So basically the perimeter sensor runs on a 555 timer, which generates a frequency basically, and the Arduino Mega is supposed to sense the frequency with the sensors right here, and then this right here will be the generator. So basically this is the sensor right here, which is run by a 555 timer, and there's a perimeter wire around my more. So basically, as my motor moves, it's supposed to just the generator. This is supposed to generate a frequency, which basically, as it goes around it, it detects whether you're close to the object, and then it stops. But I wasn't able to fully test that I had, so I had more equipment that I needed to use to test it. That's it.